AI can write poems, AI can write novels, AI can even sound human. But there's one thing it still can't do: create from the chaos inside a human mind. When we write, we don't just combine words, we bleed experiences, emotions, contradictions. Every sentence is a memory, every pause hides a heartbeat. Artificial intelligence doesn't have that heartbeat. It predicts, it imitates, but it doesn't feel. Creative writing is not about perfection, it's about imperfection. The trembling hand, the unfinished sentence, the emotion you can't quite describe. And that's exactly where the magic lives, in the messy, beautiful, unpredictable nature of being human. AI can help us write faster, but it can't tell us why a story matters. Because stories aren't data, they're fragments of soul. And until AI learns to dream, creative writing will always belong to us. Thank you for watching. Visit Fikaweb Academy to learn more. Ready, inspiring, future ready.